Welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about the best exfoliants that will give your skin the glow it deserves. Exfoliation is key for smooth, radiant skin, but choosing the right exfoliant can be tricky. With so many options available, it's important to find a product that not only exfoliates, but also addresses your unique skincare needs. In this video, we'll review 5 incredible exfoliants, so you can find the perfect one for your skin type. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Pixi Glow Tonic. The Pixi Glow Tonic has become a staple in many skincare routines, and for good reason. This gentle exfoliating toner features glycolic acid, a chemical exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Formulated with aloe vera and ginseng, it provides nourishment and enhances the skin's natural radiance. Ideal for all skin types, this product works effectively to reveal smoother, glowing skin without causing irritation. Key features: Pixi Glow Tonic contains 5% glycolic acid, which exfoliates the skin without being too harsh. It also features aloe vera to soothe and hydrate the skin, along with ginseng, which helps stimulate circulation. The toner is alcohol-free, making it a great option for sensitive skin, and it's packed in a convenient, easy-to-use bottle. The product is also cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards. Benefits and usage: this toner gently removes dead skin cells and brightens the complexion, offering a glowing, refreshed look. The glycolic acid works by improving skin texture, while aloe and ginseng help with inflammation and promoting skin health. To use, simply apply a small amount to a cotton pad and swipe over the face after cleansing, once or twice daily. It's best to follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Usability: Pixi Glow Tonic is simple to incorporate into your routine. It has a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no residue. The gentle exfoliation ensures it can be used daily without causing irritation, making it a good option for those new to chemical exfoliants. However, users with highly sensitive skin should start with a patch test to assess any potential reactions. Durability: a little goes a long way with this product. Given its affordable price and the large size of the bottle, it lasts a while, making it a great investment for long-term use. Users typically report seeing improvements in their skin's texture and radiance after a few weeks of regular use, and many find that it fits seamlessly into their existing skincare regimen. In the second spot, we have Kate Somerville ExfoliKate. Kate Somerville ExfoliKate is one of the most popular exfoliants in the beauty industry, often hailed as a cult favorite for its powerful yet gentle exfoliation. It's formulated with both physical and chemical exfoliants, including lactic acid and fruit enzymes, to effectively slough off dead skin cells and leave the skin looking fresh and vibrant. Perfect for those with uneven texture or dull skin, this exfoliant is designed to work on both the face and body. Key features: ExfoliKate features a blend of powerful ingredients, including AHA, alpha-hydroxy acids, papaya enzymes, and pumpkin enzymes, which combine to exfoliate, smooth, and brighten the skin. It also contains aloe vera and honey, which provide hydration and help to calm the skin. This dual-action formula combines the benefits of both physical exfoliants, fine grains, and chemical exfoliants, fruit acids, making it a versatile choice. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of ExfoliKate is its ability to resurface the skin, reducing the appearance of pores, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. It also promotes a brighter, more youthful complexion by encouraging skin cell turnover. To use, apply a thin layer to clean, damp skin and massage gently for about 30 seconds before leaving it on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse off. It's recommended for use 2 to 3 times a week. Usability: this exfoliator has a rich, thick texture that spreads easily on the skin, allowing you to massage it effortlessly. The physical exfoliating grains provide immediate, tactile feedback, while the chemical exfoliants work over time to reveal smoother skin. Because it's a potent exfoliator, those with sensitive skin should start with a patch test or use it less frequently to avoid irritation. Durability, ExfoliKate comes in a tube that makes it easy to control the amount you use, preventing waste. It's highly concentrated, so a small amount goes a long way. Though it may seem like an investment, the results are worth it for the improvement in skin texture, radiance, and overall appearance. Many users report that their skin looks and feels smoother after the first few uses. Coming in at number 3 is the L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Peel Pads. L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Peel Pads are an excellent option for those looking for a quick, effective exfoliation solution. These pre-soaked pads are designed to brighten and even out skin tone while providing a gentle exfoliation. Infused with glycolic acid, they target dark spots, dullness, and uneven texture, giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Ideal for those who want a convenient exfoliant that fits into a busy lifestyle, these pads are perfect for everyday use. Key features: these peel pads contain glycolic acid, an effective AHA that exfoliates and helps to remove dead skin cells, while vitamin C brightens and evens out the skin tone. The product is formulated without parabens, sulfates, or artificial fragrances, making it a safe choice for most skin types. The pads are pre-soaked in a gentle exfoliating solution, making them easy to use without the mess. Benefits and usage: L'Oreal Revitalift Brightening Peel Pads help to improve skin texture by removing dead skin cells and promoting cellular turnover. They also brighten the skin, reducing the appearance of dark spots and discoloration, revealing a more even complexion. Simply swipe one pad across your face after cleansing, avoiding the eye area. Use once or twice daily for best results. Usability: the convenience of pre-soaked pads makes this product incredibly user-friendly. They are gentle enough for daily use, and the formula is designed to minimize irritation, though those with sensitive skin may want to start with a less frequent application. The pads don't leave a sticky residue, and they quickly absorb into the skin, making them ideal for a fast skincare routine. Durability: each jar of these peel pads contains a generous number of pads, offering long-lasting use. They're an affordable option for anyone looking to incorporate exfoliation into their routine, and because they're so easy to use, you're more likely to use them consistently. The pads provide a noticeable improvement in skin texture and brightness with regular use, with many users seeing results within a week. Taking our 4th spot is Alpha H Liquid Gold. Alpha H Liquid Gold is an award-winning exfoliant that uses glycolic acid to gently resurface the skin and improve its texture. This liquid exfoliant has a cult following due to its ability to provide visible results quickly. It helps to promote a radiant, youthful complexion while targeting fine lines, pigmentation, and breakouts. Known for its effectiveness, Liquid Gold is perfect for anyone looking for a high-performance exfoliator that delivers results. Key features: Liquid Gold is formulated with a 5% glycolic acid concentration, providing a deep exfoliation without being too harsh. It also contains licorice extract to brighten the skin and help reduce the appearance of dark spots, as well as aloe vera to soothe and hydrate the skin. The liquid formula is easy to apply and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it an efficient exfoliating treatment. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of Alpha H Liquid Gold is its ability to dramatically improve skin texture and tone by removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. It also helps with the reduction of pigmentation and fine lines, offering a smoother, brighter complexion. Apply it in the evening after cleansing, and leave it on overnight to allow the glycolic acid to work its magic. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Usability: the liquid formula is lightweight and easy to apply using a cotton pad, making it perfect for anyone who prefers a no-fuss skincare routine. It's also non-greasy and dries quickly, so it can be easily incorporated into your evening routine without disrupting other products. Those with sensitive skin should test the product first and avoid overuse, as glycolic acid can cause irritation. Durability: despite its higher price point, Alpha H Liquid Gold lasts quite a long time due to its concentrated formula. A little goes a long way, so you only need to use a small amount each time. Many users find that their skin looks noticeably smoother and more radiant within a few weeks of regular use, making it a worthwhile investment for those who want to address specific skin concerns. And finally, at number 5, we have AHA7 Whitehead Power Liquid. The AHA7 Whitehead Power Liquid is a powerful exfoliant designed to treat whiteheads and blackheads, while also brightening the complexion. Containing a blend of AHAs, this product helps to gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and promoting cell turnover. It's particularly effective for those with oily or acne-prone skin who struggle with clogged pores and uneven texture. Key features: AHA7 Whitehead Power Liquid contains 7% AHA, which is an effective concentration for promoting exfoliation while still being gentle on the skin. It also contains willow bark extract, which has natural anti-inflammatory properties, and niacinamide, which helps calm the skin and reduce redness. The liquid formula absorbs quickly and works to smooth out the skin's texture. Benefits and usage: this product helps to clear whiteheads and blackheads by exfoliating the skin and preventing clogged pores. It also brightens the complexion, making the skin look more youthful and glowing. After cleansing, apply a thin layer of the liquid to your face, focusing on areas prone to congestion. Use it once or twice a week, depending on your skin's tolerance. Usability: the formula is easy to apply using a cotton pad, and it absorbs quickly into the skin. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but those with extremely sensitive or dry skin should start with a patch test or limit usage to once a week. Regular use helps prevent breakouts and keeps the skin looking clear and bright. Durability: the bottle is a good size and lasts for several months with regular use. Given its affordable price point, it's a great value for anyone who struggles with acne or clogged pores. Users often notice a reduction in breakouts and improved skin clarity with consistent use, making this exfoliant a great addition to any skincare routine. Exfoliation is essential for achieving smooth, glowing skin, and the 5 products we reviewed today are among the best in the market. Whether you're looking for something gentle like Pixi Glow Tonic or a more potent option like Alpha H Liquid Gold, there's an exfoliant for everyone. Remember, consistency is key, so choose a product that works for your skin type and needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews.